In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Timeline in Google Maps. Timeline is the feature that lets Google Maps remember where you've been, so you can look back on trips, commutes, and places you've visited. It's private to you and tied to your Google account, and you can turn it on or off at any time. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com/maps. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for Timeline because the setting is saved per account. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile photo in the top right to confirm you're in the right one. In the top left corner of Google Maps, click the three horizontal lines, also known as the main menu. If your browser window is very narrow, resize it or look for a small menu icon to reveal the sidebar. From that menu, choose your timeline. This opens the timeline page for your account. If timeline isn't on yet, you'll see messaging that it's not recording your location. That's expected, we'll turn it on next. On the timeline page, look for the link to activity controls and click it. This takes you to your Google account's activity settings where location history is managed. It's the central place that controls whether Maps can build your timeline. Scroll down until you find the location history section. Here, switch the setting to on to enable timeline. You may be asked to review what turning this on means and to choose which devices can contribute location data to your account. It's fine to leave all your devices selected if you want a complete picture, or you can limit it to just the ones you use regularly. When you're ready, click Turn On to confirm. That's it. Timeline is now active. You can go back to Google Maps and revisit your timeline to see the interface. If you just enabled it, don't worry if you don't see much yet. Timeline starts recording from now on, and it will fill in as you move with your signed-in devices. A few quick tips to make it work smoothly. Keep location services enabled on your phone, allow Google Maps location permissions, and ensure you stay signed into the same account. You can pause location history at any time, delete specific places or dates, or clear all data from the timeline settings if you ever change your mind. With timeline enabled, you'll be able to revisit trips, sort memories by day, and even recall names of restaurants or parks you loved. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your history in Google Maps.